Good morning, dear children. In our today's class, we are going to do practice exercise of topic number 13, sentences, simple, complex, and compound. In our previous classes, we have learned the difference between all three kinds of sentences and how we can identify complex and how we can differentiate between all three kinds of sentences. So let us take a look at the question given here. Identify the type of each sentence and write in the blank provided. So first statement is the children wore their dirty boots. Here you can see, children, this is a subject and wore is a verb, and the sentence has a complete meaning. It does not need any other words to complete its meaning. Yes, so this is an independent clause, which is a simple sentence. So you have to write here simple sentence. This is an example of simple sentence because it does not have any other clauses or a conjunction. Now come to part B. It was time for bed, yet it was still light outside. Children, you can see that this sentence consists of two clauses. It was it was time for bed, first clause. Yet it was still light outside is the second clause, and both the clauses are independent clauses. Both the clauses are independent clauses, and these clauses are joined with the help of conjunction yet. Which kind of conjunction it is? It is a coordinating conjunction. It is a coordinating conjunction. Okay, so if you need to differentiate between complex and compound sentence, first you need to identify the conjunction in the sentence. आपको सबसे पहले conjunction को find out करना है, and you have to identify which kind of conjunction it is. If it is a coordinating conjunction, then the sentence is a compound sentence. If the conjunction is subordinating conjunction, then sentence is a complex sentence. तो यहाँ पर conjunction yet है, which is a coordinating conjunction. So this is a compound sentence. Next statement is the front door was locked, so she entered through the back door. Here also two clauses are given. The front door was locked. It is a complete sentence. Yes. Independent clause 1. So she entered through the back door. This is another clause, independent clause, clause number 2. And both the clauses are joined with the conjunction so. This is the conjunction so. So this is a coordinating conjunction. तो कौन सा sentence होगा? Again, this is a compound sentence. Okay, now next D part is they took a lot of pictures when they visited France. They took a lot of pictures. This is first clause, which is an independent clause. When they visited France, when they visited France is a dependent clause, which is joined, and both the clauses dependent and independent clause are joined with the help of conjunction when. Conjunction when is a subordinating clause. So this sentence is a complex sentence. Now come to the next part. After the show began, he sat very quietly. After the show began is a dependent clause because it is starting with the conjunction, subordinating conjunction से start हो रहा है. So इसीलिए कौन सा conjunction है, कौन सा clause है? Dependent clause. He sat very quietly is an independent clause. So when independent clause and dependent clause are joined with the help of subordinating conjunction, then this kind of sentence is a complex sentence. Next is the girl was wearing a dress. The girl was wearing a red dress. So here you can see subject and verb is given. No other conjunction is given. No other clause is given. So this is a simple sentence. Next is part G. We turned off the lights and we went to sleep. Here again two clauses are given, and two independent clauses are joined with the help of coordinating conjunction and. So this is a compound sentence. Part F, Harshit would like to play for he is the best player in the team. Here two clauses are given. Harshit would like to play. This is first clause. For he is the best player in the team. He is the best player in the team is another clause. This is again an independent clause. Both independent clauses are joined with the help of coordinating conjunction for. So again, this is a compound sentence. Next is, before the bell rings, the students lined up at the door. Here, first is the dependent clause because it is starting with a subordinating conjunction. ये subordinating conjunction है before. Okay, so ये इससे start हो रहा है sentence. That means this is a dependent clause. Before the bell rings, dependent clause. The students lined up at the door is an independent clause. Both the clauses, dependent and independent clause, are joined with the help of subordinating conjunction. That means it is a complex sentence. I hope you all are clear with the difference between simple, complex and compound sentences. We will be doing few more questions related to the exercise, related to the topic in our next class. If you do not understand anything, feel free to ask me. Thank you.